balancing organization goals while building targeted capabilities in your team. Sounds familiar? This is exactly how it feels if you're part of learning and development or the human resource team. Hi, I'm Tanzil Dar, Global Director, Enterprise Operations at Staragile. Over the years, I have worked closely with the organizations to transform their workforce. Let me share some insights from these experiences. L&D and HR professionals face challenges like addressing complex business needs, bridging critical skill gaps, delivering learning solutions that create an impact. One of the biggest hurdles is designing targeted and impactful training programs. It sounds simple, but it's anything but easy. To get it right, you need to 1. Understand the unique needs of each role. 2. Map these needs to a specific skill. And 3. Align trainings with organization goals, all while maintaining daily operations. It's like walking a tightrope, isn't it? This is where the role-based capability building steps in. It's about crafting personalized learning journeys so every employee gets exactly what they need to excel in their roles. But how do you make it work? At Staragile, we simplify this process by partnering with you to map roles and skills, design tailored learning modules, and seamlessly integrate solutions into the workflow. Now, let's talk about content. Keeping it relevant and impactful isn't just tough, it's an ongoing challenge. Here's how we ensure our content hits the mark. Role-relevant programs are pre-designed by the SMEs or customized to your needs and industry. We dive deep into the job objectives and roles to design meaningful and personalized content. It's always up to date, impactful, and aligned with your goals. Role-based capability building goes beyond training. It fosters a culture of continuous learning in a constantly evolving world. Now, think of it as an ultimate balancing act, meeting today's business needs, preparing teams for tomorrow's challenges, keeping employees motivated and engaged. At Staragile, we are with you every step of the way, whether it is upskilling a single team or transforming the entire organization. Our solutions are flexible, scalable, and designed for impact. Let's be real. Skill requirements are changing faster than ever. One day it's AI, the next is something entirely new. So, how do you prepare your teams for the roles that don't even exist yet? How do you keep up with the constant change while tackling today's priorities? Ready to move beyond the juggling act? Let's make learning scalable, impactful, and perfectly aligned with your organizational needs. Thanks for watching. Connect with us via the link in the description or drop an email at enterprise@staragile.com. Let's get started to build capabilities together.